This car is all original paint and original interior. It's never been restored or touched. It's pretty rare to find them like this. And you can kind of see some of the interior there. Lots, you know, I think they cut a tree down to veneer all the wood in these cars. There's like 40 some pieces of wood veneer in these things. All the seats are run by hydraulics. That's the size of the hydraulic lines inside these cars. Are like, it's like
Spaghetti.
like spaghetti. See how fine those lines are?
They're
Tiny little
use
things.
reference to your finger.
Yeah, they're not very big. There's the little button that would move the seat up and down, back and forth, or tilt the seat back.
Luxurious.
Yes, this was like over-the-top luxury, this car in its day. And I've driven 3 or 4 of these things, and it's an amazing car to drive. Beautiful ride. It's all air suspension.
What year was this again?
67.
Nice.
So it's here for a water pump rebuild. We have that done. Hydraulic suspension work. There's hydraulic work, there's suspension work, air suspension. And a bunch of difficult things to do. So I got a guy that he's a bit of a specialist, and he can fix hydraulics and pneumatics.